Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need Gboard installed and updated to the latest version. Open Google Play and confirm the update when available. Changing typing sound requires Android 8, 0 or newer on most devices. Check your Android version under Settings, then About Phone. Make sure your phone volume is audible and not on Do Not Disturb. Disable DND or adjust priority to hear key sounds. Have a wired or Bluetooth keyboard disconnected during these steps for accuracy. Open Settings, then System, then Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard. Tap Gboard from the list of available keyboards to open its settings. Select Preferences, then scroll to Sound on keypress to toggle it on or off. Use the keypress sound volume slider to increase or decrease the click loudness. Tap Test Keypress to audition sound changes immediately after adjustment. Changes apply instantly across apps where Gboard is active on your device. You cannot import custom WAV files, but Gboard adds tones via app updates sometimes. Change the keypress sound tone by updating Gboard when new sounds arrive. If you hear no sound, check System Sound Settings and keyboard volume on your phone. Ensure media and system volumes are not muted or too low for key clicks to register. Restart the phone if toggles fail and reinstall Gboard as a last resort. On iOS, Gboard follows system keyboard sounds and limited customization compared to Android.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.